so much has changed.
Yeah.
The songs of love that I listened to then, and I memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every rose is shine. Every shimmering ring that they started to sing so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every sha-la-la-la, every rose they shine. Every shimmering ring that they started to sing so
Hindi mo ulit mo.
fine.
Alam mo yan. Ayun.
Minsan lang sila bata. Sulitin mo na.
Commercial muna.
Shaki.
Hi guys! Welcome to my live.
Imposible man siya. Ilang ikot yan sa machine. Baka pa ulit-ulit to. Isang spin lang yan sa Ariel. Speed 15 minutes, Ariel. Alam mo siya. Imposible man siya. Sige sa Ariel.
Dami kasi ko alam sila. Ang siya ba? Pag nakita ko. Ayan. Yan ang simula niya. Look into my Hi.
Looking into your eyes, so far away. There's trouble in your mind, you're losing faith.
Deal!
Hey now, here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away, away, away. I will love you till they take my heart away.
Orange lemon, sabi mo, try mo.
Baba yan, di ba?
Ha? Anong sura yan? Ha? Ano lang yan? Ano yung pangalan? Try natin.
Rexona, Ever.
Ayun ba yun? O yung isa, orange and lemon yun eh. Yung yung kay sa BJ yata.
Rexona Flex Sweat
Kaya,
Conditioner. Isa spray fresh and dry all day. Mag-Rexona lang.
I tried to show
Haba ng
you
commercial?
Despite how hard I tried, can anyone show me the right choice?
Don't worry.
Ayun. Yan yun. Kababa. At ang dilim daw. Ayaw niya mama magpakita sa camera. Bakit ang dilim?
There were times when I'm lying in my bed, how I will and cry from this stupid thing in my eyes, while I finish it on a rainy day, and drop down swelling as I keep on keeping my face in this cold light of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am.
Shakespeare in Love.
This angel has gone away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have lived the ways and made up mine for eternity.
Tama.
Now this angel has gone away from me, though I had the strength to set her free.
Yun ako, nene. Ano Shakespeare in Love?
I love her so. Will she ever find a way back to me? I'm so tired. I feel like I should put away being up all night. This elbow room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning, and my eyes are hurting from these feelings amazing. I hide a comfort, cigarette just to pass my time. Heaven knows now I'm
Sabihin mo kanina yung another one. Kichina Dalne, gusto mo? It must have been love daw, sabi. Alam mo yun? It must have been love. Ano pa simula nun? Try mo. Talaga ba, Julie May? Request ka ng iba, ne?
May pautang.
Yes ka.
Eh.
Hi, guys. Wait lang, tinatype pa ni Nice.
Ito ba yan?
Yes.
Oh my God, di ko alam.
Daddy, ikaw alam yan. Teka lang, may commercial, ah.
Napapasarap pagkain mang kinasal. Wait, in weeks? Very weak. Nangihina.
Julie May. Tatry daw niya, ha?
Hindi ko alam natin.
Hindi pa niya masyadong alam. Julie May.
Chorus lang.
Julie May.
Batangas.
Yeah. Ang aking ina-anark. Yeah.
Order ka na bibili ng ano.
Okay. Ano ba simula nito, Daddy?
May pa-order ng kikiam.
Hindi. Gusto ko banana. Eh, turo ni Auntie. Ah. But it's over now.
Sabayan mo kaya?
Yung ba, gusto mo rin eh. Hindi yan eh. Ayun, tama. But it's over now. Slay. May whisper on my pillow in the winter. Basta mo dali, parang sabay mo na. Zero silence. Okay, Nene, si-search ko yun. Gusto ko rin yun.
Close my eyes
Naksa mo, Das.
and
Dream away.
Ayun na ba yun?
Yan na.
It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good,
Teka lang, Ne.
I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. The moment we touch, feel the time.
You got it all.
Hindi ko alam.
Make believing we're together. Wala nga.
Like a teardrop.
Daddy na lang. Hindi ko sa chorus.
Stay, dream away.
Yun lang talaga.
Must have been love, but it's over now. It's not what I wanted, now I'm
Dealing with love.
It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where I wanna go.
Ikaw nga!
It's where the wind blows.
Next. Ano ba yun? You got it all. Oh, you got it all. Eh, ba na lang yan?
Sinasabi.
Kita Nene. Ang mga request niya.
Ano ba
You
yun?
got it all.
Oh,
You got it all.
chorus na po.
And chorus.
Must have been love,
Matang na.
but it's over
now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow.
Ah,
It must have been love, but it's over now.
Gawin na kayo. Taas na yun eh.
It must have been love, but it's over now. All that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows.
Ano nila?
it's where we go.
Ito lang yung galit ko.
Ganda yan. Lagay mo na. Pwede mag-search mo.
Hindi. Hindi siya pwede kasi sabang nag-galit.
Wala pa na tayo. Paano ba mag-search na?
Back mo lang.
Pasensya na. First time. Ano yung isa?
Mga luma.
Request, you got it all. Ni Nene. Maganda yan. You
Salba ko talaga mo.
You got it all. You got it all for me.
Ayun.
At SM.
You got it all. Yan. Nene, ito na yung request mo. Ito ba?
Yan
The
yung
Jets?
Jets.
Yeah. Meron kasi yung MP.
Cover lang.
Yeah.
Salba ko talaga mo na.
Nang may labag ko sa'yo. Kung ako pagkita. Mamaya kakanta. Mamaya kakanta ka.
Oo.
Sige. Ano ba natin? Stupid Love?
Hi, Ma.
Mamaya daw Stupid Love. Kakanta si Dennis.
Ha?
Oo, party na rin.
For Tita Nene, Gcash 1,000.
Ano naman narinig niya?
It's a prank. Half men.
I was a game we would play. We brought the clouds to my day. Then like a ray of light, you came away one night.
SM daw.
Just one look and I knew
Yun nga sabi nila.
you would make everything clear. Make all the clouds disappear. Put all your fears to rest. Who do I love the best? Don't you know, don't you know? You got it all over him. You got me over him. Honey, it's true. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call you when out on a limb. And you're all that is not. Just look what I got. 'Cause you got it all over him.
Nabingit daw kita Nene mo. So,
Don't let it worry you so. Once I met you, I let go. Oh, you can surely see you're so much more to me. Just one look and I knew you would make everything clear. Make all the clouds disappear. You're better than all the rest. Who do I love the best? Don't you know, don't you know? You got it over him. You got me over him. Honey, it's true. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call you.
sige, attorney, Dancing Queen. Dancing Queen.
You all that is mine. Just look what I got. 'Cause you got it all over him. Honey, it's true. There's just you. You must have been heaven
Dancing Queen?
Alam ko naman.
Okay. ILJ.
Ano yun?
Next cover daw mouth. Ano yun? Visit ka. Ano? Next cover mouth. Ay, delayed yung tiyahin mo.
Ano yun?
Sabi ko, ano yun? Ay, tingnan mo. Ang kalit ng tawa ko. Nasaan na yun? Dancing Queen.
Ayun no.
Pero hindi kasi siya karaoke.
Ayun no.
Ayun.
Pangatlo.
Pangatlo?
Yuzaru.
Attorney. Si attorney. Ito ba? O yung ayan.
Ayan, abang. Abang.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, LJ. Hahaha siya. May commercial
Nivea
eh.
Extra Bright. For bright skin, you need a formula that goes deeper. Powered by
Wala kang
95%
magawa
pure
eh.
vitamin C to go 10 layers deep, reducing dullness at its root for long-lasting brightness. Skin is
3,
for embracing
2,
it.
1.
Nivea is for skin.
So easy daw. Olivia di hintayin mo si Nice. Alam mo yan? Ate Cha, Gcash number is chat-chat.
GM na lang yung Gcash lang. Kung kala nyo, libre-libre.
Dapat sumasayaw. Labas ko. Sali ako. Ako'y sasayaw. Ako hindi.
Ano ba?
Naman yung aking parang ano mo.
You can dance, you can dive, every the time of your life. Ooh, see that look, watch that scene, take it to dancing
Hi guys. Magpakita ka naman baka akala nila ako yung kumakanta.
Soko yarn.
Crime scene.
Ine-enjoy niya ang
Ano yan?
Ayan.
Ano yan, ma?
Nang may love ko sa'yo.
Ah,
Request ng daddy niya. Kakanta silang dalawa. Your song daw sabi ni Avery. Avery, wait lang ha. Mag-delete sila. Ay, mag-delete. Mag-do-it.
pag-delete. I-play mo, ma.
Ay, hindi ka plinay.
Ganda mo na isa.
Yabang!
Doon ang kailangan ng katawan at age 50 plus. Kaya we take Centrum Silver Banks.
Your song? Ano yung your song?
Age 50 plus. Yung sa sharpness.
Ayun na yun ang utak ko.
Mag-Centrum
Ano
Silver
yung your
Ano
song?
yung parokya ni Edgar?
Yung parokya.
Hindi ko alam ano ba yun.
Alam ko yun.
Mamaya.
Kasi manonood
Hindi ka rin sa purpose ko.
Gay.
Ano to? Wait! Kaya na? Ayaw! 10x power play. Mas tagal ang
Nene, ito ano ka dito, makaka-relate ka ne. Yan. Nene, oh, para sa ito.
Ching, 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 ching. Nandoy na ba ako sa'yo? Anak ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay. Pero hindi nagtagal, lumabas din ang tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay mapagmataas at lagi namimintas. Pero sa likong pera ang iyong inawalas. Para kang space, bala mo'y nakakasting.
Hindi yan imo ko talaga nagka-shrink.
Girl, really bye-bye, don't tell a lie.
Bakit mo ako lagi dinidinay?
All the goods are done, wala man lang recognition.
Mahilig kang makoleksyon ngayon walang aking attention.
Yo, anyway, everyday, iba't ibang mga text.
And then hanggang nahuli ka na meron kang ka-text.
Gustuin ko pa naman pa-crucify. Kaysa harap-harapan mo akong stupefy. So don't be mad, so don't be sad. Lahat ng kapuluan mo ilalahan. Stupid! So there's an easy chair. Stupid!
Tara na lang sabihin.
Stupid!
Oo nga, mamaya.
Stupid love!
Daddy nga.
Buhay ko ay nag-iba simula nang makilala ka. Every hour, every minute, nais kang makita. Halos di kumain, makausap na sa phone. Between you and me, until the break of dawn. No one else comes close, pangako sa isa't isa. Ngunit napatunayan mo ba na pagkanta niya, pinagpakita sa akin, siya'y mahal pa din. Anong magagawa ko kung ikaw ay palayain? Halos isumpa sa sakit na naitulad. Pero bakit ang tulad mo, di pa rin malimot ang mahanap mo ng iba. Ngunit ako'y bigo, sa pag-ibig ko sa'yo ako ay binago. Tumingin sa salamin na alaala na halimas. Masakit paliging mo.
Maging what?
Palakit mo na
Salikay mo.
Dapat sinta, mahal kita sincere, vendetta.
Stupid!
Silhouette lang tayo.
So there's an easy chair. Stupid!
Precious the morning air.
Stupid! Stupid love! I have found in you.
Bago pa makarecover sa ginawa mo sa akin na meron akong hangover. Naaalala mo pa ba nung tayo pa kasama ka saan man ako magpunta? Pinagsilbihan kita mula ulo hanggang paa, pati ang pati mo ako ang naglalaba. Doon usiti ka kung merong nagawang mali. Una, sige na, ako naman palagi. Una, utos para sa lugar. Mas sinusunod lang na kita kesa sa aking nanay. Lahat ng bagay binigay ko sa iyo. Naging sunod-sunuran ako ng parang aso. Kapag kausap kang iba ako'y i-deny. Basta gwapo ang life, mahabang ang bumibigay. Damn, napaka-estupido ng puso kong ito. Ano ba ang dahilan ako'y ginamit mo? Inaway mo ako at iyong tinaboy. At sa iba lang boy, nakipaglaro ka ng apoy. Ako'y nananaboy, puso ko ay nabiyak. Wasak na wasak ang puso ni Nastima. Ilanin ko noon, na minahal niya kita. Pero ngayon, binabawi ko na.
Stupid! So there's an easy chair. Stupid! Precious and morning air. Stupid! Love that is shared by two. Stupid love I have found in you. Stupid! Ano nga
So there's an easy chair.
Stupid!
Precious the morning air.
Stupid!
Love.
Stupid love!
Hindi alam yata ni Nice yung nanay eh.
Master of Puppets daw si Dad. Sabi ni Kobe.
Ano yung Master of Puppets? Alam mo ba yun?
Stupid! Precious and morning air. Stupid! Love that is shared by two. Stupid love I have found in you.
Easy, kaya mo so easy. Ano yung Master of Puppets, love? Alam mo yun?
Ano to? Metallica?
Kumalma ka siya, ano rin. Mama, hindi alam yun, Bésame mucho.
Bésame,
Si Dennis yata.
bésame mucho. Red Horse yan eh. Ilabas mo na ang mucho.
Sabi mo kay Mama.
I have found in you. Ay, ano ata?
Pero sabi kanina sa kanya, para ka kung ano na. Kailangan maging bago mag-12.
Karaoke. Ito ma. Ito yung request ni Ticha.
Tapos na ba ito?
Ayan.
Chari eh. Ano? Nice.
Hilo, para anemic ka. Sabi ng dugo mo, you need help from Hemorrhage FA with 60 milligrams.
Besame
Right dose, kaya Hemorrhage, the blood vitamin.
Unilab yan.
Need a taste, I wanna make it stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. There's heaven in my heart, and we can find you some space. I could be the world to you, the missing piece, the extra structure lens, the kind of chemistry. But people make it far with me, that isn't the case. 'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall into us. The perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life in me. Only the heart will agree. It's so easy to fall in love with me. The way you make it loud, the way you like to share all the essential parts. I feel the perfect share, my feet are where of your dreams.
Kita siya.
There's no need to hide it if you're into me. There's nothing to you quiet in. Maybe one night will turn into three. I'm not seeing 'cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall into us. From the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life in me. Only the heart will agree. It's so easy to fall
pala nakalive.
Ano yung, your song?
Your song, sige. Alam din ni Daddy.
Parokya.
Parokya.
Sabihin ko kaya yung si Avery.
Ano ba yung kay Avery?
Yun nga, your song.
Gusto mo mag-sounds lang dito. Labas ka lang doon.
Dito ka raw sa labas, chill lang.
Oo.
Ay,
Ayan na, Avery. Tingin.
yun ba yun? I want you to... Yun ba yun?
Hi, Jonah.
Mga...
Si Jonah.
Jonah?
Kakanta si Dennis, nod ka.
Nakakasilo naman to.
So big dapat. Yung brightness siguro dapat nila.
Only to be reminded of you. There I was, thought I had everything figured out. Rest assured, I know by the way life plays out.
I take one step.
Jonah Pasay.
Voices.
Myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only you. Now I know that you're not a thing at all. Ayun ka no?
Except the fact that
I'm yours and that you are mine. Oh, they told me that this wouldn't be easy. And no, I'm not the one to blame. I take one step away, then I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only. I take one step away. Then I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only you.
Bilis lang pala yun.
Mixi lang siya.
No, no, no. No, no.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
Somewhere over the rainbow? Ha?
Hi, Jonah.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Way up high. Somewhere.
Over. Space. Over. Yun.
Oh.
Karaoke. Karaoke.
Ito ba yun?
Yan. Karaoke. Piano version yan eh. Yan na lang ang sa...
Ay, oo nga. Yun din pala yun. Walang hindi ano. Piano lang talaga. Tapos yung isa,
Maganda yung ano eh. Ayun o, karaoke.
alin po?
Over the rainbow. Hindi over the rainbow.
Yun, piano na lang para. Hello, love, sabi ni.
Commerce PH.
yun. Iniisip ko.
Wish.
Isa pa. Tignan mo. Yun.
Hanggang mami.
Hanapin
Nagpasok
ko.
ko lang itong chinelas ko.
Nalagtalsikan.
Ayun, no?
Ito yata dahil yung si Israel yata
Kaso
yun eh.
walang
Wait lang.
karaoke.
guys.
Karaoke.
Teka lang.
Guys, wait lang guys.
Sige, kaso mo natulog nga eh. Hi guys! Space natin. Space. Easy.
Jonah, kumusta ka na?
Andyan pa ba siya? Easy.
Mama, nanonood ka pa?
Nanonood si Mama. Wala siyang magagawa.
Wala kang magawa na, ha?
Ito yata.
Basta karaoke. Yan.
Ito yan.
Ba't ganyan? Ano ba yan?
No, it's a survey. Yan na. Karaoke ba siya? Tignan mo nga kung karaoke. Karaoke. Sige, ma, flowers. Hi, sis.
Ay, flowers!
Yan yun.
Mama loves.
Over the rainbow, birds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday I'll wish upon a star, wake up when clouds are far behind. Where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top, that's where you'll find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, birds fly, and the dream that you said you why, oh, why can I see Jesus so green and roses too. I watched him bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white, and the brightness of daylight, like the dark night. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really sing, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They learn much more.
May ganyan ba yung kanina? May ganyan yung kanina. Pero mas ano, mas
Sobrang bagay.
pero yung ganito mo, yung ganito mo, halika ito mo, yung DJ mo, nagkaano ng flowers. Di ba yun?
Wake up when clouds are far behind.
come away.
Easy.
Easy come away. Flowers na
Tama
favorite
kami.
ni Mama Labs.
Tama kami. Ay, ano napindot ko?
Ibak mo na.
Ibak ko na. Clear daw.
Flowers.
Yeah.
Akin ba masata?
Fly me to the moon.
Yun, ganda yan. Ayun mo rin yun. Hindi ko pwede sunod.
Hindi nga eh. And let me
Bigyan mo yung fly
play
to the moon.
among the stars. Mamaya.
Bigyan mo yun.
Mamaya. ha?
Nice.
Maya na. Sabi mo kay Mama.
Ito na, flowers.
We could go on a dream that can't be so. We were right till we weren't. Built a home and watch it burn. I didn't wanna leave you, I didn't wanna lie. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own hand. Yeah, I can love me better when you can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me. Take my hands, cherry red, like the roses that you had. No remorse, no regret. I forgive every word you said. Ooh, I didn't wanna leave you, I didn't wanna fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Yeah, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing. Yeah, I can hold my hand. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I didn't wanna leave you, I didn't wanna fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Yeah, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing. Yeah, I can hold my own hand. Yeah, I can love me better than. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better.
Shout out kay Carlo Chodoro. Carlo Chodoro.
Ano sabi ni Mama Labs?
Yay!
Ano next?
Gusto din natin ano eh, Fly Me to the Moon.
Muno?
Fly me to... Ayun, somewhere over the rainbow. Ay, rainbow? Rainbow?
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Ayun yun. Ito yung namin nice.
Fly me to the moon.
Ayun o, fly din mo din yung karok.
Karok.
Siya nga eh, karok.
Karok.
Kaya nga dito lang tayo. Dali.
May kasalanan ako sa kanya.
Ano naman ginawa ko na naman?
Sasawa daw siya, hindi siya narinig siguro kaya tawag niya.
Naligo ba?
Your own dark marks? Put it down with more skincare ingredients
Shower.
for more care.
Shower ka lang ba?
Ayun, nice ka rin.
Fly me to the moon. When?
Hindi simula ba niya?
Yun na.
To the moon,
Let me play
among the stars.
Kasi dati ka lang.
Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me.
Mataas siya. Para sa akin kasi.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true.
Mamaya sinis.
In other words, I love you.
Oh, sa'yo naman na rin. Ano ka na? Ano na lang.
Taas kasi siya para sa akin kasi mababa.
Ano, ikaw mataas ang yung sa'yo.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words,
Please be true.
in other Ilang bilis lang pala niya.
Yeah.
Mataas na siya sa akin.
Something in orange. Ano ba yan? Atlas.
Ano yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Can't take my eyes off you. You're just too good to be true.
Kitchenadal medley. Isa nga.
I chose Head and Shoulders. So when others had dandruff, I was dandruff free. And my gorgeous hair became famous. Oh, eh?
Pangit.
Maybe.
With Best Ever Head and Shoulders, my chance. Up to 100% danger-free hair.
Ayun na.
Make
Oh,
every day a Head and Shoulders
Makatayin
day.
mo na si Nick. Mag-goodbye na ako. Shout out Carlo Tidoro.
Si Mama sa shout out mo.
You, Bear Brand Apple.
Shout out Mama Labs. Wala si Rune.
Karaoke. Ay, Tagalog. Tagalog. Ay, hindi. Ano ba ito?
Parang meron yung dito. Oo, umabot pala dito.
Natamaan ng ano ba? Kumot ko? Siguro.
Ganito ang tagol ko.
Ikaw ba ay natulungan? Parang tuon. Maraming ginanatid sa mundo.
Okay, mamaya. Perfect po. Mamaya po.
Di naman ang gagawin. Ubusin ang oras natin. Alam mo ay mararating. Oy, kaibigan ko. Pakinggan mo mga bulong sa'yo. Ikaw ay hindi ka ng santo. Tungo sa mga paradiso. Dito rin, ma. Gusto na ang kainin mo, diskarte ka mo ng ano, ako ng lahat ay kapwa mo. Minsan ang pag-ibig niyan, wala sa bigat na pinapasan, sa pagpupag maghanap ng kalituan. Oy, kaibigan ko, pakinggan
Kayo.
Ikaw na may lagdan.
Ano yan?
My love, it's been a long time since I finally left you. I don't know.
Ikaw na, Ice.
It's hard leaving you alone and never wanted to. Self-denial is a game, it's changing the way I wanna love you. 'Cause I've learned that I was beyond your commitment, and the more it feels, the more I let you go. It's what I don't understand. Small feelings so bad now when I know it was not the end. But could I just deny the truth and lie? Why am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground? But I don't understand. Small feelings so bad now when I know it was my dear. Could I just deny the truth and lie? Why am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground?
Lumap?
Atal ba?
May pinasok ka din ano?
Ako, atal ba? Hindi ko na-away yun.
Gusto ka bang sabihin? Ba't di mapakaling? Hindi makatingin. Sana'y huwag mo na tong palipasin. Subukan na kasi sa mga sinabi mo na iba ay nararapat sa akin. Tunay kong mamahalin. Huwag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama itong pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kay pamahalaan mo. At sa gabi, sinutuluyan sa'yo. At sa umaga, ang hangin ng nakaplos sa'yo. Huwag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama itong pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kay pamahalaan mo. Huwag mong sasabihin
Ano gusto mo?
Bakit yan pala?
Nag-course si mama ng Ed Sheeran.
Okay.
Ano pa?
Kaya na pag marami na nanonood.
Hindi ko alam sa... Tingin mo, nag-comment si mama.
Ano daw?
Diba?
Perfect.
Ah, perfect. Baby, I'm dancing in the... Ayun. Pangatlo mag. Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran.
Pag may araw-araw tibay, mas makakapag-aral ng mahusay. Bear Brand.
Chicken mushroom.
Yeah, ako din.
Ay, wait lang.
My God.
For me.
Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Ha?
I found a woman stronger than anyone I know.
Overnight yan siya dito.
Shares my dreams and
Request si Alisa.
someday I share
Request ko tita, overnight yan siya dito.
I found a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of her own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. If I'm gonna be your man, I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When we saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Ayan natin yung
Oh,
Kwento si Daddy. Bakit ngayon ka lang?
baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect
Ngayon ka lang. Sure, sure.
Sabihin ko sana ano.
Ano bang ano? Search mo na.
So guys,
Ba yun? O
yes.
alam mo kung sabi.
Di kami na lang nila. Ay, hindi. Sige nga, kayong dalawa na lang. O, Dennis, ito na.
Okay, kasi.
Freestyle o Ogie Alcacid? Freestyle o Ogie Alcacid? Kay Pops Fernandez kasi sa ano eh, itong isa kay Regine.
Hanggang ngayon na yan eh.
Ay, hanggang ngayon na pala to.
Ang ganda yun.
Hanggang ngayon,
Ikaw pa rin
Kasi dalawa yun.
iniisip. Ay, iniibig pala. Okay.
Freestyle nga.
Oo nga, freestyle pala.
Oh my God.
Kala ko kasi si Ogie at saka si ano, magkasama. Regine. Iba pala si Regina. Thank you daw, sabi ni Mama. Thank you.
pagmamahal,
Mama, sila na.
0952.
Paano ka ba?
Global Karaoke TV.
Sino ba simula? Dati ikaw ba una?
Dumating sa
Dati sila.
Hindi mo alam yan.
Hindi ko lang kabisado. Alam ko lang.
Bakit ngayon ka na? Bakit ngayon kung kailan na aking puso'y meron na naman?
sana'y nalaman ko na darating siya sa buhay ko.
Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay ang aking laging hawak, at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko lang limutin? Nais kong malaman, bakit ngayon
Baka alam na, alam na.
dumating? Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay ang aking laging hawak, at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit ngayon. Ngayon.
Sa taas.
Ito.
Sa taas.
Mamaya na.
Taas yun, ma.
Hanggang ngayon muna. Hanggang ngayon. Ngayon.
Wala eh.
Ngayon. Ngayon.
Ay, ito nga pala.
Great heart snack, 100% pineapple juice, fortified with retinol to help lower cholesterol.
Doc Alvin, puro ngipin.
Mag-head and shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day.
Global Karaoke TV.
Haruami!
Bea. Binet.
Binene. Bea. Menana.
Duet yan eh.
Kaya nga. Alam mo, solo ka lang. Alam mo yan. Yan, alam mo yan. Alam mo nga.
Oh.
Oh.
Lamps. Ano ba simula niyan?
Oh.
Wala. Tinagal mo.
Hindi.
Si OGB.
Bakit di magawang limutin ka?
Hindi niya daw alam.
Bawat sandali ka'y naalala. Tangi kong dasal, sanay ka pa, makapiling ka.
Bakit di kumalis sa isip ko? Ikaw ang lagi
Ikaw din? Again?
Yes, pinagkulang ba ako sa Luzon?
Ayan. Kung ano ba ang kanin mo?
Magtawag ka.
Para pwede kang... Wait a minute.
Kapit mainit.
Ano gusto mo, Nep? Hi, Nay.
Dapat si Marilaw.
Lady Gaga, always remember. Nice, alam niyo yun? Kumuha lang po siyang kanin kasi nagugutom na po siya.
Lagay mo muna love sa
Ano gusto mo?
Relawan, galaw ang katawan. Dali, lagay mo yan. Break tayo, break. Ayun pala, yes!
Hindi ka pinindot kung saan lumabas.
Ha?
Kung saan lumabas. Para daw palagan sa'yo.
Get to one life without you. If I had to live without you, what kind of love would that be? Oh my life. I need you in my heart, take you to home. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I live without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive?
Ang taas.
How do I live without you? There'll be no sun in my sky. There will be love in my life. There'll be no more left for me in life. Baby, I don't know what I would do. I'd be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything real in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I live without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I live?
Tama-tama pala, Labs, eh.
Singing tornado.
Okay, why? Okay. If you ever leave. Nice, go na. Ang taas, eh. Till my heart, yun yun until my heart aches then. Kasi yan ang pinay. I just called to say I love you. Mamaya yung kay Lady Gaga, si Nice yun.
Regalo mo to.
Best dancing Jolly Spaghetti.
Kasi mama.
Match with your favorite side. Jolly Mix and Match. Isang spray, sayaw ready na. Mag-Rexona lagi.
Oh, mama.
No New Year's Day to celebrate. No chocolate covered candy hearts to give away. The first of spring, no song to sing. In fact, it's just another ordinary day. No April rain, no flowers bloom, no wedding Saturday within the month of June. But what it is something true. Made up of these three words that I must say to you. I just long to say I love you. I just long to say how much I care. I just go to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. No summer's high, no warm July, no harvest moon to light one tender August night. No autumn breeze, no falling leaves, not even time for birds to fly in southern skies. No Libra sun, no Halloween, no giving thanks to all the Christmas joy you bring. But what it is, don't so new. To fill your heart like no three words could ever do. I just go to say I love you. I just go to say how much I care. I just go to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I just go to say I love you. I just go
Ayan, Tom Jones na ako, guys. Wait na. Don't stop me na. Ano gusto ko? Night Changes. Ang ganda rin yun.
I
Night
chose Head and
Changes.
Shoulders. So when others had dandruff, I was dandruff-free. And my gorgeous hair became famous. Oh, eh? Maybe.
With best ever Head and Shoulders, my chance. Up to 100% dandruff-free hair. Make every day a Head and Shoulders day.
Anak, it's breakfast time! Ay, ano pa? Kailangan ng pampasigla. The Lady's Choice Chicken Spread. May meaty sarap ng real chicken at farm fresh eggs. May omega-3 and 6. Kaya pampasigla na.
Thank you, Lord. I love you, sabi ni Mama.
Lady's Choice Chicken Spread. Meaty sarap, omega sigla.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes. You look wonderful tonight. We go to a party. And everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes. You feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I'm gonna make it in. So I give her a card, please. And she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn around,
always immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of pro-vitamins for Pantene. Formula with provitamin B5 and biotin to help build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
Oo nga.
Listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they play that song, it made me smile. Those were good.
Tari mo yung last mo. Last ka na para makunti ka ba? Sorry, hindi.
Yan na.
Hindi.
Ano na lang?
Teka lang, always remember us. Alam mo ba yun? Pilay ba ba? Mataas ba yun? Eh, gusto akong kanta mo na maano.
Bilis, malibog na.
Sa ito, dalawa pa to. Mag-charge ka.
Hindi, marapit na siya matapos.
Baka pagkabirik bilang gusto ka.
May gusto akong kanta yung ano ba tawag dito? Kaya maluluwag. May gusto akong kanta.
May nag-comment.
A few slow moments is all that we share. You got your family, though I tried to resist being last on your list, but no other man's
Sabi ko
gonna
ba
do.
Says I'm staying home behind.
It's not very easy living alone. My friends try and tell me I'm the man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you.
mula sa Baratong Ilong. Anytime, anywhere. Vicks Inhaler.
Sarap ng masterfully made chicken joy. Pinaka-juicy from the marinade to the seasoning.
Got my heart ache.
Crispy from the breading to the marinade. The best tasting family joys. Kaya Jollibee Chicken.
Hindi over yung maganda eh. May para sa akin maganda eh.
Di ka magiging akin, di ka mamaling luluha pa. Kung ako'y kalolokohin, ang puso kong magmamahal. Kung ako'y papalarin, ako'y iyong mahal na rin. Kung akong ikaw lang ang iibigin, mapapailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong tanging kayanan ng tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin.
Hirap pa rin pakpak.
Kung ako'y mamalasin at meron ka ng ibang mahal, di patuloy ang aking pag-ibig mapagkailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong tanging kayanan ng tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin.
Kanibalismo.
Kung ako'y papalarin, ako'y iyong mahal na rin. Kung akong ikaw lang ang iibigin, mapagkailanman. Di ka pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong tanging kayanan ng tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong tanging kayanan ng tumibok ang puso mo para sa
Ay, sa akin. Ito yung multo.
Ha?
Multo, kapag yun ba?
para sa akin. Ayun. Kanibalis mo, kanabis. Kanibalis mo, kanibalis.
Ah, kita ka. Makalakala kapag sulit ka. Tulis na umipipon na isa.
Ako'y marami.
Gusto kaya
Buy one shop on toppings. Iba-ibang mong sarap. Starts at 99 pesos.
I have the nut. I have body pain. Mouth flu. Pwedeng flu. So tayo flu. Dahil bang may 2 symptoms, pwedeng flu yan. Kaya anumang sintomas ng flu,
Yung lab yan.
makabag may flu symptoms, flu yan. Wala ka.
Kaya kulit ka natin. Ito, gloves, time. White shocks, red shocks.
Ah? Ma. Stop mo na to.
Bumalik ka muna.
Tanto ka sa paligid, mamalik ka lang. At nababahala,
Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? At ako'y mayapan, boses ko'y lumalamig.
Opo.
Pinaunaman na ang lahat, pinagpanaman na ang sapat, ngunit ba't ba hindi ito pa rin? Hirap na akong intindihin, tanging ka ng langit, buhay ang nasanay.
Dahil sa ako'y nakikita, kahit saan man
Magpunta ay kanino mo'y kumapapit sa aking kamay. Ako'y dahan-dahan,
Ako ba yun? Kaya nga kuno ko. Ang hindi pala yung gusto ko yung sabi. Ano yun?
ang gusto'y ramdaman sa dilim.
Yung pwedeng sabihin ko na mahal. Ayun pala yung nahanap ko. Magbabay ka na.
Bye guys!
Bye guys. Pagod na. Daddy, babay na.
Ng ilaw, pinunod ako ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko.
Ikaw na wala ka.
Hindi sa
Ah, finish. Bye-bye.